Okay, guys, you need to put your name at the top of your math packet. Go ahead and do that now. And then we're going to work on our front page, okay? So it says, show 2 plus 1 on each sign and trace the counters, okay? So you need to go ahead and grab your math counters if you haven't already, okay? All right, so we're going to do 2 plus 1. If I have 2 and I'm adding 1, I have 1, 2, 3. So we're going to put 3 on that line. And guess what? It's going to look exactly the same this way too. It's just going to be up and down. So this is called vertical addition, okay? So whenever you're doing your gumball math, your math looks like this, okay? So let's do 2 plus 1 equals 3. 2 plus 1 equals 3. Okay. Let's go ahead and let's open up your packet to see and show. All right, it says write the numbers and add. So we're going to count the dominoes on the purple one, and then we're going to put them in the squares, and then we're going to put what the answer is at the bottom, okay? So we're going to be working from vertical to horizontal, okay? All right, so we know if we look at this domino, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, and then we have 1 down here. So we have 4 plus 1 equals 5. We have 5 dominoes total. And if you need to, go ahead and count your domino dots to help you figure out what the answer is, okay? All right, so this is our first part on number 2 on the yellow domino. 1, 2, 3. And then 1, 2, 3. So let's count them all together to figure out our answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 is our answer for number 2. Okay, and remember, you do have to write out the whole thing. I had some friends the other day that were just writing out answers. You have to write out the whole thing. Okay. All right, so go ahead and let's count these for the green domino, number 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3. So let's count all of our domino dots together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, that's our answer for that one. And let's move to number 4. We're going to count our domino dots. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's count all of ours together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 4 plus 4 equals 8. All right, go ahead and flip your packet like a pancake. Okay, you're going to do this on your own. I will read it to you, but you're going to do it on your own. So I'm not going to put anything, but your paper when you're done should be completely filled up and done. Okay. All right, so let's go ahead and let's look at number 5. You're going to count the dominoes. So you're going to count this half first. You're going to put the number right here. Then count this half second. Put the number right here. Add it all together and put your number right there. Number 6, you're going to count this half first. Put your number. Count this half second, put your number, count all of them together, and put what it is total, okay? Number 7, the green domino, you're going to count all of them on this side, write your number, all of them on this side, write your number, count all of them together, and write your number right here. Same thing, counting these right here, putting your number, counting this one right here, putting your number, and then counting them all together to figure out what the answer is at the bottom. On the orange domino, you're going to count these right here, put your number, count these over here, put your number, count all of the dots, and put your number right here. Number 10, you're going to count your dots on this side, put your number, count your dots on this side, put your number, count all of them together, and put your answer right here. All right, do not worry about this part down here unless you would like to do it. If you would like to do it, that's great. If not, don't worry about it for today. So we're going to go ahead and we're just going to cross that part out at the bottom, okay? Go ahead and go to the back of your packet, not your homework, the back of this page. All right, it says Brian saw 5 foxes in a field. So we're going to write a number 5. He saw 3 other foxes in the woods. Okay, how many foxes did Brian see in all? So we're going to use our counters, or I'm going to draw circles. So I'm going to draw 5 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1, 2, 3. As I count them, I'm going to cross them off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm going to put a number 8 on the box, in the box. Okay, number 15 says Nate found 3 bugs. Pablo found 2 bugs. How many bugs did they find in all? So again, we're going to draw 3 circles. Draw 2 more circles. And count and cross off your circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so we're going to write a 3 and a 2, and now we know our answer is 5. Okay, come down here to the bottom, put an X for your right math, bring it to me. I'll let you know if it's good, and then you can put it in your mailbox.